My good people, now welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. Now welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so will be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come with breaking news. We don't come back again with updates. Make a report from my table like this way. I need share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say one countryman wey dey go by the name Evarada Don Abednego, he na the technical adviser on public affairs to the Bayelsa state governor. And sake of the political tensions wey don dey escalate for inside Bayelsa state, this man now don come outside dey caution Oga Wike wey be the minister of the Federal Capital Territory. And this warning so dey come sake of the provocative remarks wey Oga Wike make. And no be lie, my good people. Report dey ground as the minister of FCT be dey yarn dey give tori people say Ijaw group na minority of minority for inside we nation Nigeria, after governor of Bayelsa state wey be Duye Diri bin reject a planned rally in the support of Wike for inside Bayelsa state. And now for inside the recent interview wey Oga Don Abednego get with tori people, he now come dey accuse Oga Wike say im dey bully both Bayelsa and the entire country. Oga Don Abednego now dey yarn about the issue of ethnic disrespect. How he now come dey ask say how Yoruba people go feel if Oga Wike wey be minister of FCT come dey insult their heritage. According to how the talk take come aside from Don Abednego mouth, he said there is one man in the presidency wey dey dare everybody for inside we nation Nigeria, and today he now don dey dare Bayelsa state, and their concerns as Ijaw should be this: what if the FCT minister now come mention Yoruba people and Oga Wike come be like, who Ife people dem be, make dem get rat, their weight no reach and all this kind of level, and he come start to dey mention Oduduwa, and he can also mention Awolowo? How Yoruba people go react? How they go feel? Whether our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu go keep quiet about the matter? The technical adviser on public affairs to the Bayelsa state governor be Evarada Don Abednego now come dey draw ear the sama warning, and in dey warn the FCT minister wey be Oga Wike against disrespecting Ijaw land. He say anybody wey desecrates the land of Ijaw people will get a price to pay. There's a consequence. This no be threat, but na a genuine concern. And still for inside the interview, Don Abednego now come dey yarn dey give tori people and the general public why im dey strongly oppose to the planned rally in support of Oga Wike for inside Bayelsa. He now come dey yarn dey give tori people why e be say he no support the rally wey men dey plan to do for inside Bayelsa in support of the FCT minister wey be Wike. And still for inside the interview, he come still dey yarn say currently the Bayelsa state governor and the president of the Ijaw National Congress don still talk against the rally. Now according to Evarada Don Abednego wey be the technical adviser on public affairs to the Bayelsa state governor, according to how im take yarn as to why im dey oppose, as to why im dey against the rally for inside Bayelsa state, he said the grave go last reject late Pa Edwin Clark. The grave now don dey yarn say they go reject their leader Pa Edwin Clark if the rally plaster for inside the state, if men go ahead now to come go do that kind event for inside Bayelsa. He said the spirits of their past Ijaw leaders, the spirits of their forefathers, including the late Isaac Adaka Boro, they are not at peace at all. The corpse just a turn for inside the grave because something evil is about to happen for their land. This my good people, now how the talk take come aside from the mouth of Evarada Don Abednego. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this topic, so no let anybody or anything stop you, no let anybody or anything intimidate you. Feel free make you drop your comments inside our comment section. Meanwhile, Anointed Lady TV still get updates, still get another report for table where we still need share give the general public. And the koko be say the Bayelsa state governor wey be Senator Duye Diri don come outside now come dey express concerns about the mega rally wey men don plan to do for inside Bayelsa state in support of Oga Wike wey be minister of FCT. And according to the governor, the mega rally wey men don plan dey come at a wrong time, and that na sake of the current political situation wey dey sup for inside the neighboring Rivers state. And no be lie, my good people, the governor of Bayelsa state no mince his words at all. The man make am very much clear on Wednesday wey be the 2nd day of April for inside this year 2025 during the 158th State Executive Council meeting for inside Yenegua. For inside this meeting, so now the governor come dey yarn say im dey forbid that event, im no go allow am. Say that rally no go plaster, e no go work, e no go come to pass for inside the Bayelsa state. And no be lie, my good people, this mega rally wey men don plan say go happen for inside Bayelsa state, this mega rally now wey men don see as a demonstration of political support e don raise alarms within Bayelsa state government. And like dis now, men for inside Bayelsa state don dey fear say dis rally so wey men dey plan get the po ten tial to disrupt the peace wey don plaster already for inside the state. Dis rally so get the po ten tial to destabilize the stability of Bayelsa, and the rally get the po ten tial to cause trouble for where trouble be no dey before. And now for inside one video wey tori pipo dey obtain, Governor Doye Diri of Bayelsa state now dey yarn say dis his administration so dey respect individuals their right to assembly and to hold rallies, but it is very much important to consider the bigger context here, especially with the ongoing political turmoil for inside Rivers State. No be like say Bayelsa state government dey against countrymen their right to do protest and all those kind of levels dem, but this particular protest wey dem wan do, e get the po ten tial to cause violence, and that na a good reason why e no go allow the protest to come board for inside the state. And no be lie, my good people, recently the minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Wike, man wey dey known for his contentious stance on various political matters, man wey men don know say when e comes to matter of politics, Oga Wike dey always get suggestions, im dey always take some kind decisions wey dey cause quarrel. Recently that same man come make some kind remarks, come make inflammatory remarks dem about the situation of Rivers State, and that remark so come further promote the crisis, the tensions for inside Rivers State. And those remarks so, coupled with the state of emergency wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don plaster for inside Rivers State due to the escalating insecurity, all those levels so na don make Bayelsa officials dem begin dey do their things with caution. And na sake of the matter, sake of wetin dey play so for inside Rivers State, na why the governor of Bayelsa State so dey talk about the importance of maintaining stability for inside Bayelsa. And Bayelsa State normal na a state wey dey share close political and cultural ties with Rivers State. E come back as if Bayelsa State na the brother of Rivers State. That na why the governor of Bayelsa dey express concerns. That na why in the yarn say any political activities, especially the activities wey dey linked to the ongoing power struggle for inside Rivers State, e go good make men dey careful for inside Bayelsa, because the thing go last get negative consequences for the peace and security of Bayelsa State. And as men no like the things wey dey play for inside Rivers State, they no want make that kind same thing come copy and paste for inside Bayelsa State. This my good people na dey informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop you. Feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. And once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update so and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to Anointed Lady TV, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey come back with more news, with more updates and reports for you my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.